Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see, by tapping on them now, I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's move to this settings bar and tap on this button second from the left to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick this settings button to open the advanced camera settings, and here in the capture category at the third position we have volume key functions, so let's pick it. Now we can decide to use this as volume, shoot, which is now, or zoom. Let me change this to zoom now to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use these buttons once again. And as you can see, now I can get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume keys. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.